Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Koss with Revolution Chiropractic, and thank you for checking out this video. The purpose of this video is so that when you come into our practice, you're going to know exactly what to expect as a new practice member. When entering our office, you'll have the opportunity to fill out our practice member application form if you have not done so already online. We help all people with insurance and without, but if you do have insurance, we'll be happy to do a complimentary benefits check for you. Once your initial paperwork is complete, we're going to give you a tour of our office so that you're comfortable and know where everything is. After the tour, we want to hear about you. One of our chiropractic assistants will find out why you're in our practice, what your goals are, and how we can help you reach them. The first step in this process is our assessment technology. It will assess your entire spine, nervous system, and health. With this scientific assessment technology, we can get immediate feedback and can show you the root cause of your health problems that you're experiencing now or may have in the future. At this point, we'll take digital postural x-rays that we have on site. And that's it. That concludes your first visit in our office. After that, we'll take over. We're going to spend quality time analyzing your case as a team to devise a plan to help you reach your health goals and maintain your health. On your next visit, you're going to come to your new practice member orientation and report of findings. The purpose of the orientation is to answer all of your questions up front so there's no unknowns and you'll know exactly what you'll be seeing when we go over your findings. Now that we've gone over your findings and recommendations individually, we can start the process of regaining your health and reaching your health goals with your first specific scientific chiropractic adjustment.